welcome back to my channel. This is Joby May from the Spanish Filipina Homestead, and today we are going to make gingerbread cookies. Yes guys, I'm going to make with my kids, so I will show you the ingredients. Alright guys, so I have here my recipe book, and this recipe book guys is mine. Yes, and yeah, look. But okay guys, so we are going to make these gingerbread cookies, and here are the ingredients. Okay, so we need a 3/4 cup of flour plus more for dusting, 1 tablespoon guys of ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. This one is baking soda. I will leave all the ingredients guys in the description box below. Okay, we also have salt, and this is ground nutmeg, and this one is 3/4 cup of butter, melted butter, and this one is brown sugar. This one guys, this is what I am using, but it's not that so brown. This is organic cane sugar. Yes, so this is 1/2 cup of this brown sugar, and also we need this vanilla, and this one guys, I don't have molasses, so I only have this agave, so we are going to use 1/2 cup of agave, and also 1 egg, 1 large egg, and 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk guys. Okay, as you all can see that I have all my ingredients in here just in case I need to put more, and here are our ingredients guys. Okay, and let's get started. Bye. Hello guys. All right guys, so we are going to wait like this. Okay. All right guys, so we are going to mix all of these ingredients in here, and I will show you the outcome later. Yeah, so first lakota daring.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. How often has the Christmas tree afforded me the greatest gift?
It smells so good guys. Yes, Heidi, I want to smell it. Wait. Do you like it or not?
Yeah.
Tell them. Do you like it? Do you
so good.
Do you like the smell?
Yes. It's
Yes.
so good this time.
Alright guys, so I'm going to make like a bowl, and then wrap it and leave it for at least half an hour, and then we will work it later. Okay, so we'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so 30 minutes is over. Tapos na ang 30 minutes natin, and now our dough are here, our cookie dough are here, and one is with Haley. And yes guys, we are going to make it right now.
God has decked thee
is big. Thickness is like okay. Sorry, the thickness is it's okay, no? Kasi na. So it's like the thickness is like this or thinner, I think.
I think a little bit thin.
I think like this, it's okay. Oh, wait.
I can pick.
Yes, press it, Haley. Now let's put this. Look at that, so beautiful. So beautiful. I love it. Bingo. Yes. Okay. Now Lakota. Yes. Put here. No, put your hand, open your palm like this and press it so hard. Yes. Very good. And what else? This one, the star. This star is so beautiful. Okay, press it so hard like that. Oh, babe, it's okay. What else? And a heart. Okay, Lakota. Let's put a heart too. Very good. Good job. Careful your hair. Would you like to bring some cookies at school tomorrow?
Yes.
Yes, very good, Nenas. Good job. Yes. No, Lakota, Vigila. Vigila. Yeah. Ay! Siniasta, no? Okay, so we have to put it here. Yes. Lakota, put it here. Yes, very good. Wait, yes, this one. Slowly, slowly, ah, Lakota. Espera, ka rin yan. Wait, here. Here. Here, darling. Good girl.
No.
Okay, so we are going to bake this for 12 minutes. 12 hours. If it is 12 hours, it will be so black.
Black. Kali black. Papa, kalete.
Correct.
Yung kala.
Okay, so we are going to put this into the oven for
12 minutes.
yes guys, for 12 to 15 minutes into 180 degrees Celsius. So look at that, so beautiful, right?
Olive.
Maybe down.
Why you?
Okay guys, so I put to 12 minutes and then we check it later, and then when it's not totally cooked yet, then we have to put another 3 minutes. Okay guys, and now it's blinking, and look how gorgeous this gingerbread cookies. Look at that beautiful cookies, and it looks so good, and our house, it smells so good. Yes. Hey, libizil anak lakaran. It's not that hot anymore. You can take one. No, you can take one and try, Hailey.
A little bit.
A small one.
A small.
Yeah, look at this heart. Okay, I take one and I will try it too. So good. Try it, Lakota. Try. Do you like it? Good? Yes or no? It's so good, guys.
Alika, uy. Mama, alika, uy. Mama, alika, uy.
Look, she took one for herself.
Papa,
It's not that so sweet, guys, because I put half cup of brown sugar only, and that brown sugar is organic, so it is really so nice and so good. So we can decorate this ones, or we just leave like that. Decorate. Hailey wants to decorate it, but I don't know if we have enough time to decorate it. And maybe we can just store this into an airtight container, and look at Hailey's face because she really wants to decorate it. But okay, I will let you decorate some. Okay, Hailey? Yes, because it's time for dinner and you have school tomorrow. That is why. Okay?
Okay.
No, don't open, don't. Okay, I'll let my husband try. What does he think?
Wow. No son como las que veo fritas antes, ¿eh?
No, it's different, huh?
Different.
Yes,
I like
because
it.
it is with ginger, Daddy. That is why it's ginger
Wow.
cookie.
Amazing.
Gingerbread cookie.
I guess.
So good, right?
Let's take another one. Buenísimo. Buenísimo.
Yeah, it is really so good. Alright guys, so Hailey's going to decorate cookies.
Yo también.
But you are still eating, anak.
Yes.
Leisha. Yes, anak. Siya.
Uy, mama yan. Uy.
You eat first, anak.
Mama, yummy shot.
Wow, it's so
Mama,
cute.
shot.
No, you still have your potato.
No.
Very good, Hailey. So we improvised, guys, the plastic because the piping bag. I have big piping bag, but my sugar, Hailey, careful. My sugar is so little, that's why we use this one, guys. This bag that I use to freeze food or meat. My freezer bag that I use to freeze meat. Okay. Very good, Hailey. So we will show you guys later. Alright, guys, so can you see this is the only powdered sugar that they sell, guys. It's only 60 grams. You cannot find any bags or a kilo or 500 grams, something like that, guys. No, you cannot find. And look, guys. This is what we did. This is letter J because I want to make joy. You can see like that, J-O, and Y here. So that's joy. But look, they don't also have food coloring, guys. Yeah, so nothing. Okay, so we are going to put these cookies, gingerbread cookies, in here. Yes. Yes, Hailey. Let's put it here. And look what Hailey did. Very good, Hailey. Very good, darling. So Hailey decorated these ones, guys. Can you see letter J, letter R, our initials, letter H, another J, and also Russell and Evie. They also have their initials in here. It's so cute. Yes. Very good, Hailey. Good job.
Thank you.
So guys, here is our gingerbread cookies. It is really so good, guys.